Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name's Janelle and I upload new videos every single week. And let's get my teeth. There's nothing worse than when you finish filming a YouTube video and the whole time you're shooting there's lipstick in your teeth. Anyways, today's video is going to be a very random collective haul. A majority of it is clothing, but I'm also going to be sharing some other knickknacks and things that I've purchased over the past few months. I have some really cool stuff in here that I really wanted to share, and I didn't know what kind of video to put it in, so I figured I'd mash it all together and share it with you guys in this video. Like I mentioned, this is a collective haul, so it's over the course of a few months, so I do have a problem, but no, it's definitely still a problem. Anyways, let's get into the haul. What do I want to start with first? I recently discovered a clothing line or brand, Edikted, and I placed a really large order because the clothes looked very different from what I was used to seeing at the stores that I normally shop at. Honestly, I haven't found any good new online stores. First things first, I got this little cutout top. One thing I will say is that I placed an order and then I had to exchange half the order because the stuff runs so freaking small. I'm definitely not their target market. Their target market is somebody this big. Yeah, so I got this top. I got it in a medium because the small was literally just barely covering. I love the cutout of it though, and I thought that this would look really cute with a blazer over top or some sort of jacket. This little detailing here and just having that kind of peekaboo effect with maybe some trousers that are high-waisted and loose and flowy, so you have the balance of something cute, tight, cropped and cut out with baggy, loose, flowy trousers. It's a basic white top with an interesting cutout to make the outfit more visually interesting. Also from Edikted, I got this denim jacket. It's giving That's So Raven vibes with the furry collar and the sleeves. I think that this is adorable. I got this in a medium to be kind of oversized, but also fitted at the same time. I didn't want it too baggy, but I didn't want it too tight either. And it fits perfectly. I'm wearing pajama pants, guys. You caught me. This is how it looks. So cute. Oh, I love it so much. And then I also got denim pants. Oh, I'm kind of stuck in the middle with these. Okay, I'm just gonna show you them and then I'll tell you guys my dilemma. Also, I've been wanting to just switch up and try new trends and stuff lately, so I wanted to get not low-rise but not so high-waisted jeans, and I wanted them to be a little bit baggy just because I feel tight low-rise jeans could never work for me. So I got these pants. They're a straight leg, more of a baggy dad fit, and then they have that crisscross detailing at the waist to kind of cinch it in. And I wanted these to be baggy and not so high rise because it didn't look like that on the model. But then when I got it in, I realized that they are more of a high-waisted denim, and I had gotten them in a size small and it was very fitted on my thighs and my butt, but it was baggy kind of on the bottom and a little bit at the waist. So I sized up so I'd be able to wear it more slouchy, and then when I sized up I felt they stretched out and they were almost a little bit too baggy. So I don't know, I do like the fit of these, the medium. They definitely give me that baggy look, and since they're a little bit too big, they kind of go to a low rise on me anyway, falling. I don't know. I do love the color of the denim though. It's a really pretty light blue, perfect for the springtime. I'll definitely insert pics or clips of me wearing the pieces. Next, I have this cute little knit set. Have to purchase them separately, but you can order it together as a set, and I thought that this would just be such a cute little airport outfit. It's this more fitted knit sweater that I thought is perfect for the springtime because it's warm enough but still lightweight enough to be able to wear the springtime. It has 2 zippers, so you can have it with that peekaboo up top and peekaboo at bottom, or you can have it completely zipped, just wear it one way or the other. And it's just in a standard almost grayish blue tone. Has some ribbing down there. It comes with a hoodie, but my head is way too big for this hood. It's super tight when I put it on. I don't have any fitted knit zip up hoodie sweaters like this, so I thought that this would look really cute obviously with the set, but then I could also wear it with jeans, black leather pants. I could wear this with shorts like I said in the springtime and sneakers, and I thought that this would just be a really cute top to wear a bunch of different ways. Also, I could completely unzip it and have it open with this top underneath of it, and I thought that would be really cute. But it comes with these little knit flared pants. I've been loving that more flared bottom. The quality of this set is insane. It feels super buttery soft. The material feels nice and thick. The top of the pants fold down like this, and you can wear it more a low-rise style. I like to wear it kind of in the middle. What perfume was I wearing yesterday? It smells so good. Next up, my husband hates this cardigan and I've been wearing it non-stop because it's so soft. Look how fun this is. this? I've been really into like fun prints and colors, and when I saw this, I love the tone of it. I feel like this color looks pretty good on my skin tone, so I wanted to order it. The quality of the fabric feels so nice. Again, super soft, very thick, and just like comforting. A great end of winter springtime outfit. I wore this to the Golden Girls restaurant that was like a pop-up shop in New York City, and I felt like this fit the vibe perfect. You can button up the cardigan and wear it like fully buttoned up, or you can have it open with like a black top underneath. I wore this with leather pants and like black booties, and I thought that it was so cute. And I also just like to wear this around the house because it's so freaking soft and comfortable. It's not even funny. Oh yeah, and the cool thing about Edikted, I don't know if I mentioned this, but like everything on the site was 50% off, which is why I wanted to try like a bunch of their pieces. Then next up, I picked up this really cute off the shoulder top. I love the shape of it. It's cropped on one side and then full length on the other, but the arms are just so tight. I ordered it in a small. I could barely get it up my arm. Sized up to a medium and I still could barely get it up. So yeah, it didn't make me feel the best. It still looks cute. Like I can get it on, it's just not the most comforting, but I do love the cut of it. Like I thought that this with some high-waisted black leather pants or some high-waisted jeans or trousers, I feel like this is a fun variation of like a basic black long sleeve that I wanted to have in my closet. It just sucks that the arms have to be so tight and small. Then next I got this cute little matching shirt set, a little shrub and tank top combo. I love the way all the cutouts look paired with just like a basic outfit with sweatpants, jeans, trousers, whatever. And I love that it comes with little thumb holes. I got this in a size small. I think if I would have sized it up to a medium, it'd be perfect. I still like the fit of it. It's just that I don't like anything too constricting on my arms, but I do want to get this in more colors in like a larger size. Oh, next up, I wanted some brown leather pants. I saw these and I had to get them. They are in the most delicious chocolate brown color. Flare bottom, which is fun. I don't have any black like flare bell bottom pants. They are super stretchy and so comfortable. Yeah, the only thing I will say is that I do need to get them like hemmed because they are so long. I kind of wanted to get back into having like those fun cute tops because I haven't purchased those in so long. All right, so this is what the top looks like. A cute little white long sleeve corset top, and then these little strings here you tie like in the back around your neck, I guess, to like help hold up the cups there. That top and jeans, maybe with the baggy jeans, I feel like that would be a good contrast because it is such like a fitted top, and I think the contrast with the slouchy jeans would be pretty. All right, you guys, next up, you're never gonna guess where I went shopping at. JCPenney. JC freaking Penny. Like, are you kidding me? Shop at JCPenney because you will find some really cute stuff, and it's almost like thrifting because of how marked down so much of the stuff is. I feel like nobody shops at JCPenney anymore, but you should because they have cute stuff. So first off, I got this really cute bandeau top. You cannot make out what this is unless it's on, so I will try it on for you guys. It has an open back. It has a little triangle peak in the front. I thought that this would be so cute with like the brown leather pants and a denim jacket, those baggy jeans. Like, so many ways you could style just a cute basic top like this. The print on it I thought was also really pretty. I love that little like pop of orange in it. It was only $6. I also got the most perfect fitting trousers from there. They're in this really nice gray. They fit perfectly to style so many different ways. I could wear these with sneakers. I could wear them with heels. I pictured this would look so cute with that one asymmetrical black long sleeve top. I just thought of 1,000,001 different ways to style these gray trousers, and I don't have a pair of well-fitting gray trousers like this. They're by the brand Worthington, and I got them in a size 2. The quality of these feel just absolutely amazing, and these were only $10. $10! These do not feel like $10 pants. Like, these are like the type of pants that you would find at Zara. That would be half the quality, and they would be like more than triple the price, like quadruple the price, probably more. Like. Next up, I've been really lucking out at the mall lately, and I've been finding some cute pieces, hence those JCPenney finds. And then also Aerie has had a couple of cute things that I had eyed, but I don't like to buy things from there full price because I feel like they're kind of like Bath and Body Works where they always have a sale going on. So I had eyed these pieces before, but they were finally on sale. First off, these pants, I already have worn them so much and I've only had them for like a week or 2 weeks. This is what they look like. They're basically like long sleeve. They're basically a long version of like a basketball or running short. You can see it has that like athletic material. It has pockets. The fit though, I love contrasting pants like these with like a more fitted dressy top. I had this cropped corset long sleeve top from Aritzia, and I wore these pants with that top and some sneakers and a nice leather coat and went shopping around New York City last Sunday, and it was like the most comfy but cute Sunday outfit. These are also great to just wear around the house. Also from Aerie, I got this. Okay, I wore this for filming day and I got makeup on, but hopefully you can see past that. But it's just like a really comfy corset style tank top. There's not actually boning in it. It's just stitching, which makes it super comfortable. And it's double lined up top. It doesn't come with padding, but it's thick enough to where you can wear this without a bra. And yeah, I just thought that this would be a really cute basic tank to wear with jeans, trousers. Like, you could wear this so many different ways. And the quality of it felt really nice. And again, I had been eyeing those the last couple times that I had gone to the mall, but when I purchased them, they were 50% off. So hopefully they still have them in stock, and I'll link them down below and you can get them while they're on sale. Oh my gosh, I forgot to mention a couple of the accessories that I got from Edikted. I got this smiley face beanie. I thought that this would just be fun to add to an outfit. I love having like a very serious, formal, adult, business outfit. And then I love contrasting it with fun little accessory like this because it's me. Like, I'm very well-rounded. I'm not just one thing. I'm like goofy, I can be serious, I can be very business-minded, creative, so I like kind of showing that in my outfits too. Oh, also from the mall, well, technically I did not get these from the mall. They didn't have them in my size, so I ordered them online. But Nordstrom, during this time of year, they always have like a huge sale on their shoes. And I had been needing some like just basic black pointed toe sling back heels, very specific. So they had these shoes by Sam Eddleman. I love Sam Eddleman shoes. They last so long, they're so comfortable. I knew that this would be a basic staple in my closet that I would have for literally forever. I like that the heel was like high enough but not too high. They're so comfy on, they look so sleek and cute. And I also pictured these type of shoes paired with like those baggy trousers and a black top. That would be so cute. And then obviously to wear with dresses or just any occasion where I may need a black pointed toe shoe. And then this was a purchase I actually got for that shopping day in New York City that I was just talking about. I got one of those Lululemon crossbody bags that you can wear like this, but you could also wear as a fanny pack. I don't know why I thought these were way more expensive than what they were, but I just love the quality of it and I love the look of it. And I also loved the buckle on it. Like, I don't know why that of all things was what sold me on this bag. I just thought that this part looked so nice and expensive. I thought that this would just be a great basic staple to have, whether I'm walking around the neighborhood, running errands. Like, it's nice to have a purse, but be hands-free and not have to worry about it falling off your shoulder, any of that. One of my, not recent, but I posted a Sunday vlog a while ago talking about how every time I go into Ulta, I smell the Ariana Grande Cloud perfume and I never purchase it. Well, I finally purchased it. I'm so happy about this. It smells so good. It's not all that it's completely hyped up to be, I will say that, but I love scents that kind of match my more rich evening scents but aren't as intense, so I can wear them during the daytime. And that's what this scent is for me. Like, it fits the vibe of like what I typically like to wear and what I super enjoy wearing, but they're just so strong, so I have to wear them at night. So I wanted a scent that would fit that vibe and I could wear it during the daytime. She's so cute. The packaging is adorable and I'm just happy that I finally got it. I got the 1 ounce to kind of test it out. You can take it out of the sleeve so it's like easier to travel with too. It just smells so good. So I'm happy that I finally bit the bullet after 2 years and bought it. I probably should have gone in better order, but you know, I was talking about how Nordstrom shoes, they're having like a big sale. Well, I saw that they had these Jordans on sale, but they didn't have them in stock in my size. So I showed my husband and he ended up checking out, I think it was StockX. They had them there and they were even cheaper on StockX. They're the cutest shoes for my style. These are definitely not everybody's taste, but I know I can make some sick outfits with these, especially with like all the stuff that I picked up. And I just think that they'll be a great spring shoe because they have so many different colors and textures to just work with so many outfits. These are them. Look at how fun that is. Like, look at all the textures. You got this like bubbly reptile, waffled, more knit material. Red, it almost has like that basketball texture to it. This royal blue part kind of looks like it's a corduroy texture. It doesn't actually feel like corduroy, but you get that look with it. Cognac suede shade. You have some black pleather. Just so much going on. Then the tongue looks like a sock. I thought that this shoe just looks so like artistic and fun. For example, an all black outfit with just like a black or white shoe. But if I put this shoe on, it's not an obvious choice, but it goes and it like has my personality in it. So yeah, I thought that these would just be so fun. I've been having so much fun with my style lately and getting pieces that really embody my personality and what I like, and I felt like those shoes captured just that. Now I definitely know that that's not going to be everybody's cup of tea. These might not be either, but they're trendy, they're cute, they're comfy, they're great to work out, and they, I think, will go with so many spring outfits. And they are just these New Balance. They are the 2002 Rs. Just like a basic dad shoe. They're always sold out, and also sometimes they're overpriced, but I got these at a really good price. Ooh, I should not be touching the bottom. I wore these around New York City, but I saw these, they had them in stock. I got them at a good price. And when I tell you that this is such a comfy shoe, I wore these around New York City all weekend, and like my feet did not hurt at all. I love that they're just in this like really standard beige color, so it'll go with so much in my wardrobe. If you haven't gotten yourself a pair of the dad New Balance shoes, just give them a try. Try them out. Have fun with it. This is such a cute vibe of an outfit with like the top that I have on now. Oh yeah, I also got this accessory from Edikted. It's just a little hand warmer with a little thumb cutout, and it has like this fuzzy top to it. I thought that this would be fun to add to any basic black long sleeve top. Just keep my hands warm and be a fun accessory. Can't find the other one though. All right, you guys, that wraps it up for this very random haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that this inspired you to try some new pieces and have fun with your style for the springtime. Make sure what you're wearing is like embodying your personality. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing if you want to see more content from me. Don't if you don't want to, but it would really help your girl out. I've been filming all day, so I'm a little delusional. Hope you guys have a great day. Love you. Bye.